What if you could own America's fastest growing companies in a single, low-cost ETF, one that has consistently outperformed the S&P 500? Today, we're breaking down VUG to uncover why it has been so effective at driving long-term returns. Part 1. What is VUG? VUG is a Vanguard ETF that tracks the CRSP US Large Cap Growth Index, giving investors exposure to large U.S. companies with strong growth potential. These are businesses known for expanding revenues, earnings, and innovation across the economy. Part 2. Key characteristics. VUG is market cap weighted, meaning the largest and most successful growth companies naturally make up a bigger share of the fund, allowing top performers to drive returns. It holds hundreds of U.S. large-cap growth stocks, providing broad diversification while maintaining a clear focus on innovation-led businesses. With an ultra-low expense ratio of just 0.04%, VUG is highly cost-efficient, allowing more of your money to compound over time. This ETF is built for investors seeking long-term capital appreciation, not immediate income, making it ideal for growth-focused portfolios. Part 3. Top holdings. VUG's portfolio is dominated by growth-oriented sectors like technology, consumer discretionary, and communication services. Its top holdings typically include industry leaders such as Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, and Alphabet, companies that drive innovation and long-term market growth. Part 4. Performance. Historically, VUG has delivered impressive long-term returns, often outperforming the broader market during growth-driven cycles. Since its inception in 2004, it has generated an average annual return of 12.05%. While the ETF can experience higher volatility during market downturns due to its growth-focused holdings, investors who remain committed for the long term have benefited from both market recoveries and the power of compounding, turning consistent investments into substantial wealth over time. Part 5. Why invest in VUG? VUG is ideal for investors seeking long-term growth rather than immediate income. It's suited for those who can tolerate market ups and downs, believe in the potential of innovation-driven companies, and want diversified exposure to growth stocks without the need to pick individual companies. In short, this ETF is built for investors who think growth today, wealth tomorrow. Part 6. Real-world example. Imagine investing $100 per week into VUG for 30 years. If it continues to deliver returns similar to its historical average of 12.05%, your portfolio could grow to over $1.1 million. If you enjoy ETF breakdowns, make sure to like and subscribe for more.